Is your Google TV running slow or lagging? This usually happens due to too many background apps, low storage, or outdated software. In this guide, I'll show you how to speed it up. Solution 1. Force shut restart your TV. Hold the power button of your TV remote until your TV shuts down. Don't press or toggle it. Hold the button down to force shut down. Now unplug your TV properly. Wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often clears temporary background data and makes the TV faster. Solution 2. Disable background apps. On your home screen, use your TV remote to navigate to the settings gear icon. Open it. Scroll down to System or Device Preferences, depending on your OS version. Now go to About. Scroll down from here and find your Android TV OS build. Use your TV remote to click it 7 times until you see the message, "You are now a developer." Developer option is now officially enabled. Now go back to Device Preferences. If you scroll down a while, you'll now see developer options available at the bottom or near the bottom section. Open it. Now scroll down until you find Background Process Limits. Select this. Now choose No Background Processes. This will disable apps running in the background of your TV and speed it up. Solution 3. Turn off system animation and power saving. So while you are at the developer option, go and find Animator Duration Scale. Set this to Animation Scale 0.5x. Then go to Transition Animation Scale. Turn this off. After that, go to Window Animation Scale and turn this off as well. These animations slow down your TV if it's backdated, so disabling them will be the right choice. Solution 4. Free up storage. Go to Settings again. Scroll down to System or Device Preferences just like before. Scroll down again and find Storage. Now go to Free up storage. From here, select Clear Cache and confirm your choice. After that, go to Uninstall Apps. From here, you need to uninstall any apps that you don't need. After that, simply restart your PC. And that's it. After these steps, your Google TV should feel much faster and smoother. If this guide helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Google TV tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.